Okay, this is another one where we're combining two things. We are going to combine this picture with one from another website, Digital Histology. I ended up just making a screenshot of it because I couldn't get it to actually load, and that is only half my open tabs. Do not judge me. So we're basically combining the two images. So this one, we really care about the proximal convoluted tubule here. So I'm going to just highlight those or select those. Let's get glomerulus too while we're at it. And, ooh, we get that one too. Let's get that one also. So put that one in, double the canvas size, then I'm going to take this image. I want to be nowhere near the size. Not bad. And probably even rotate it 90 degrees because this right here is this right here. So here I've pasted in the electron micrograph. I put a black rectangle there. I'm going to try to show that the rectangle is related, like so, and then label these A cortex histology, and then B microscope proximal convoluted tubule. Now, on here, we are only going to label three things this time. That is a distal convoluted tubule. We've established that as a proximal convoluted tubule, and this is the glomerulus. So these are all distal convoluted tubules too, if you'd like to label those. These are proximal convoluted tubules. Link for this one. Over here, we are going to label some structures over here. The most important one is this right here, which is the brush border. So all these little squiggly things here, that's what these are. That is why this picture is actually important to show you what all this junk is in here. So this is the brush border. These things right here are mitochondria. I actually don't like that one. I like this one better, I think. It's a nice cigar shape, Vienna sausage shape. This whole thing here is the nucleus. And then this right here is the basal membrane. It's actually a nice mitochondria. So that's what I want you to do for this picture. Thank you.